Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus unboxing. Dual cameras, dual apertures, dual speakers, and two S9 Pluses to unbox. One in lilac purple, one in coral blue. Let's get started right now. Hi guys, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another video, and today I've got a special unboxing. I ordered two Samsung Galaxy S9 Pluses because they are that good. I thought let's try something different. The new phones have got dual cameras, dual apertures, dual speakers, so might as well get dual S9 Pluses. These are both the Exynos models, and I've got one in coral blue and one in lilac purple, as you can see there. And being duos, another double there. So you've basically got dual SIM cards in both. Let's have a quick look at the back of the packaging so you can see what we have there. I'm not going to read through all of it, but stereo speakers tuned by AKG, IP68 water and dust resistant, iris scanner. This is the 128GB memory version with 6GB of RAM. Personally, I feel these are the best versions because they've got dual SIM, 128 gigs of storage. I would have liked the 256 gigs, but I'm happy with 128 gigs. And it can take a memory card and a lot more stuff. So let's just unbox one of them. Let's unbox the coral blue. Move the lilac purple out of the way. And as you can see there, it's the European SIM card version. So slide this off. Typical Samsung packaging right there. Let's open this up. And boom. Look at that. Slightly different to what I'm used to from Samsung. I was expecting the phone to be sitting on the top, but hey, it is what it is. Take this out. Here's the actual device itself. Let's turn that over so you can see that. That looks absolutely beautiful. That coral blue. It's a lot more subtle than previous coral blues, but really look at the shine of that. That is a beauty. An absolute beautiful device. So let's put that to one side and let's see what comes in the box. So you got your SIM card ejector tool. You have your usual books that no one's going to read. But interestingly enough, on the back you can connect a USB flash drive to your phone for additional storage, or a mouse stroke keyboard to your actual device, and using the USB connector that comes in the box. You can also use it to transfer data. You also get the quick charging brick. I think this is a quick charge 2.0. This is the USB connector I was telling you about. So it goes in the charging port on the bottom of the S9 Plus. And there you can plug in your flash drive, mouse or keyboard. And here we have a micro USB connector. So it's type C at the top, and you can take the micro USB connection at the bottom. We also get different sized silicone ear tips for the AKG earphones, a USB type C charging cable or data cable. Thank God it's in black and not stupid white like Apple's products. And finally we have the AKG tuned headphones. These have got a nice braided cable on them. They already come with silicone ear tips applied. 3.5mm headphone jack right there. And you've got a little remote control built into them as well. I won't open these because we've all seen these before. And here we have the beautiful, stunning coral blue S9 Plus. That color is absolutely beautiful. See the dual cameras there. Fingerprint sensors being moved down to the bottom now. Your flash, heart rate sensor, blood pressure and stress tester. You got duos printed here. I wish it wasn't, but it shows off that this is a dual SIM version. As you can see, the top of the phone's got the SIM card and micro SD card tray there, and a microphone. And you can see it's also got that sort of satin finish, metal bezel, sort of matte kind of satin finish compared to the glossy version of the S8 Plus. On the right side, we've got the power button. On the bottom of the phone, we've got the headphone jack. Thank God Samsung kept that. USB-C charging port, microphone, bottom firing speaker. On the left hand side we've got the Bixby button and the volume rockers. Now on the front of the device you have a bezel at the bottom, and at the top the screen curves to the edges. Now these are smaller than what were present on the S8 Plus. The bottom bezel is slightly smaller than the top one on the S9 Plus. And here you've got the earpiece stroke second speaker, iris scanner, front facing camera which is just there, and other various sensors and LED notification light right there. So let's compare the colors of the Lilac Purple with the Coral Blue. Both absolutely stunning. Let me know in the comments below which color you think I should rock as my daily driver. I'm having a hard time deciding between both of them, if I'm completely honest. Let's just show you the actual metal bezel itself. So you can see the actual color difference there in the actual metal bezels. Let me bring in a note, an S8 Plus from last year, so you can get an idea of the color of that. Mind the fingerprints. But look at the size difference, how different it looks. And let me show you the bezels as well real quick. So as you can see, the S8 Plus and the S9 Plus, this metal is a lot more glossy on the S8 Plus. On the S9 Plus it's that more matte sort of satin finish, which I think looks nicer. It looks a bit more premium. Size wise, the S9 Plus is a tiny bit shorter. We're talking minuscule, but it's also a tiny bit thicker as well than the S8 Plus. You're not going to be able to really tell that on camera, but it is a tiny bit thicker. If you look at the bottom here, the main difference is the way the speaker holes cut out. That's one open strip. This one on the S8 Plus is little individual slits there. Obviously on the back, fingerprint sensors move down more to a more sensible position. You've got the dual camera, flash, and sensors are moved over to the other side. This is a dual SIM one, that's what's got duos there. This one isn't. The power button slightly higher on the S9 Plus and slightly bigger than on the S8 Plus. Volume rocker and Bixby buttons are in the same place. On the S9 Plus it's slightly bigger, the Bixby button again, as opposed to last year's S8 Plus. That's a slightly smaller Bixby button. And on the top, SIM card trays, same position, and you've got microphone cutouts in exactly the same position. Antenna lines look to be placed exactly the same way. So let's just put them all together on the desk. So there you have it guys, that's my unboxing of the S9 Plus. I'll make a separate video on first impressions. I'll set the phones up, run them for a day or two, and then give you my honest feedback. So stay tuned for that. I got loads of case videos coming up. I've got all the official cases for the S9 Plus, screen protectors galore, Elixir cases, UAG cases, Spigen cases, you name it, I'll have them. Ring key, they're all coming in. So hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, thumbs down if you didn't, but do share and like this video with others. And I'll see you all again real soon. Peace.